I want to just talk through this because I think it's very significant. What they've done here is taken a random selection of patients turning up to one of the Harvard hospital systems in Boston, and they've looked at how did AI perform in terms of categorizing treatment choices and diagnostic choices versus how did doctors perform. The left two columns are doctors, the right column is one of the ChatGPT models. What we all use is even more superior to what they've studied here. And what this basically is telling us is that in fact, in the early stages of triage and initial ED assessment, ChatGPT performed better than the clinician alone. By the time the clinician had all the information available to them, the human and AI were operating at equal levels. But in times of higher uncertainty, AI is doing better. And what the paper is concluding is that AI has reached its moment in healthcare, that it should be embraced as a part of a second opinion, and the formal studies and endorsement of these approaches should now happen. It's a very significant paper.